airport functioning is concerned in respect of COVID-19. So on daily basis, the video conferencing is being held to update the situations and keep a watch on things. And depending upon the situation worldwide, there is reduction in the number of passengers which are coming into Goa airport, and the charter operations, as per the latest instructions, the foreigners visas have been suspended and all these things have taken place. So now charter operators are coming with the empty flights and they are taking back their passengers or their people who have visited Goa on their aircrafts. So up till, as per the latest information which has been given by charter operators to us, up till 28th of March they will be operating ferry flights, and balance of the charter flights have been cancelled. Scheduled operations are still taking place. Oman Air is flying in, Qatar is flying in, um, Air India is flying in, and so all those flights are coming, though there is a considerable reduction in passengers. And to fight this uh, pandemic, we are taking all the required precautions. All the areas are being sanitized on daily basis. All the areas which are likely being touched upon by the people are being disinfected, and all required precautions as given by the directions of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare are being fully implemented. So there is no um, situation that the airport is closed. I also have received certain information that people are asking me on mail that whether airport is getting closed or airport is operative or not. So please be rest assured, airport is fully operative. Domestic flights are, there is no reduction in domestic flights. We are having around 79 to 80 domestic flights. Yes, there is some reduction in the passengers, domestic passengers also, but it is well understood this is going to happen because people are taking extra precaution. So airport is fully functional. Airport will be fully functional till the time it is decided by the government of India, and I don't see any likelihood of closures of the airport anywhere in India. Going on screening, we have got in all 8 doctors plus one APHO. So what we are doing is, since our operations are in night, we are putting 3 doctors and 3 paramedics in night shift, and Saturday Sunday, since rush is there, or rush used to be there when charters were there, so we were putting 3 doctors and 3 paramedics in day and night shift, plus one APHO is there. Designated people are there, and regular cleaning operations, regular sanitization, regular disinfection is ongoing. And we have also taking, it's not only the international side which we are taking care for, we are taking care of the domestic sides also, and we are putting special emphasis using Lysol 2% for disinfection of cusp machines which are being operated, domestic counters also, railings, floors, washrooms. So full-fledged precaution is being exercised, and there is nothing to fear about it.